Whoa, it's a big drop. Alright, we're gonna go right. We're gonna be alright. We're gonna be alright. That's the drop that I'm trying to avoid right there. It's alright. We'll come out of here. It's all good. Hello guys, how you doing again? So I just found another picnic area. This place is just off grid. This guy saw that video that drove in here. This is probably one of the quietest places here that you want to camp here, and it's just free, by the way. So that being said, I'm gonna walk around and show you guys how beautiful this place is. Here we go. All right, that said, looks like we already have people camp out here. Check out this area. This is absolutely epic. All right guys, nice clean water. Beautiful, beautiful. Bet there's a lot of fishes right here in this area. Absolutely awesome. Let's take a walk this side. See what we have here. Man, great area to swim. You guys like to swim? This is beautiful, beautiful. Like nobody comes out here, hardly anybody. Finally boats come out here. So, all right, I'm gonna turn this camera around. So, again, hope you guys see that view behind me. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please, please, please subscribe to my channel. There will be more videos like this coming. And man, what can I say? This place is just so peaceful. Quiet. This is nature, absolutely nature behind me. And the water here, it's really, really cool. As you guys saw the previous video that I went and camped on the other side. But I'm just gonna picnic here for today. Then I'm gonna head on out of here to my next you call it lake adventure. That's what you call it, right? So please, if you like this channel, comment down below. That being said, I'll let you guys get to nature. little bit warm here, so I'm gonna go ahead and make me this drink. You guys can see, easy to pour. Here it is. Okay. All right. Woohoo! Take that out. There we are. A little bit more of this. There you goes, guys. Cheers. That's good. That is so good. This is what camping is all about. Alright guys, so it's getting closer. I gotta be out of here and find my next camping spot. If you guys like to watch this channel, please give me a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. That being said, hope you enjoyed watching this, and until next time, outdoor adventure.